Today I'm gonna do a chicken. I'm gonna do a chicken stir fry. I have chicken, so I got this parcel for $8 in the supermarket. I'm in Canada, people. Sorry, so it's $8 Canadian, and this is what 1 kilo is like 2 pounds. So this is almost 2 pounds of chicken, and I'm going to just wash them, dice them, season them. So they were in the fridge thawing overnight, so I'm just gonna get them prepped and we'll see what we make today. So these are chicken thighs, so I'm just gonna clean them up, trim the extra fat, season them, and so on. So you wash your chicken, rinse it off with vinegar, water, rinse it well if you're using vinegar and lime. Get a very sharp knife to clean up trim the fat. And then I'm just going to debone these. If you have, what do they call it? If you have boneless chicken thighs, perfect. If you don't, you can just do that with a really sharp knife. Don't cut yourself. Be careful. Remove the skin and trim the fat. So I'll do that for all the meat. And then I'll cut them in cubes. Alright. You can use the bones to make chicken broth when you're making your soup. So get these bones, you put them in a Ziploc bag, put them in the freezer, and use them when you're making soup. They are great for bone broth. So we've diced our chicken thighs. I'm just gonna season them with here are the bones. I'm just gonna put them in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. So let's go ahead and season our chicken thigh. A teaspoon of onion powder. This is what a standard measurement for everything. So onion powder, garlic powder. So I'm doing a teaspoon of the seasoning, and then I'm gonna mix them and add them to my chicken. Paprika, a teaspoon. Black pepper, quarter teaspoon. Salt, a teaspoon. I'm gonna cook 2 cups of rice. So I have basmati rice. I have 2 cups. I will do cook that first, and then I'll do a stir fry with the cooked rice. So, okay. Add sesame seed oil to a pot. So just
so glad to be here with you, and hello to everyone watching us on YouTube. I'm talking.
Add our chicken that we pre-seasoned earlier. We'll fry these until crispy and golden brown. Okay, so we've browned up the chicken, and this is what they're doing right now. A pot. Once they're browned up, we transfer them to a pot. We have our onions chopped. Add that to the oil and just saute them in that oil. Alright, so if you have soy sauce, you can add some soy sauce. So it's about half a cup of soy sauce. Teriyaki sauce, so I'm gonna use some teriyaki sauce. Turn up the flame so that it cooks. I like mushrooms. I'm just gonna add some mushrooms, not all of this. So right now it's looking colorful. I'm gonna pop my chicken in. This is like a one-pot meal. There's all your everything in there. So So here we have our chicken stir fry rice.